Are you drowning in a sea of tasks, clients, and scattered information, desperately seeking a life raft of organization? Today, we're pitting Dubsado, the CRM tailored for small businesses, against Notion, the all-in-one workspace. In a head-to-head battle for organizational supremacy, we will see which one better fits your project management, client management, and overall organization. Dubsado shines with its laser focus on client relationship management. It's equipped with robust features like lead capture forms, automated workflows, professional invoicing, and detailed client portals. Think of it as a dedicated command center for your client interactions. Now, let's pivot to Notion, a flexible jack-of-all-trades. Notion empowers you to build custom databases, create project boards, write and store documents, and collaborate with teams, all within a single platform. Is your digital blank canvas. Let's talk numbers. Dubsado offers tiered pricing plans and the option to pay monthly or annually. Notion's pricing is a little different. Notion has a free plan with limited features and pay plans for more storage and collaboration capabilities. Choosing the right plan depends on your budget and how much you need to scale. Both platforms play well with others. Dubsado seamlessly integrates with tools like Zoom, QuickBooks, and various payment processors. Notion connects with a wide range of apps through Zapier and its API, extending its functionality. So, who wins this battle? Dubsado is perfect for service-based businesses that need a powerful CRM to automate their client processes. Notion excels for teams and individuals who value flexibility and want to build custom workflows and centralize information. Which tool will you choose to conquer your organizational chaos? Share your preference and use case in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons and productivity tips.